Okay, this is 2023 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. The brake light is out. It has actually a place for a hand. Let's take this off, and then over there you can see that there is two 10mm bolts, one here and one here. Let me open these, actually loosen them so I can do it by hand, make sure it doesn't drop. And the other one, it's loose too. And now you can just push with something on here, or you just pull the light itself. Okay, the light is coming off like this, very easy. And now we can take off. So this is the turning signal light. This one is the brake light over here. You can just turn it and then it's gonna come off. Push this and turn it on the lift, it's gonna come off. So we can expect the light. And yes, if you hold it to the light, I don't know if you can see, the light is disconnected, so the brake light is not good. So you can put the new light and then do the same way, and then tighten it up. It's good to go. Okay, finally I was able to get a new light. Let me put it in here. I think the other way is good. I'm gonna put it into place. That's it. Look over here where we can see. I think I have to align this over here first. Yes. And where are my two nuts? Over here. Okay, the light is in place. Good. And this one. And I have a 10mm here. I'll tighten it with this. Okay. Okay. And that's good. Yeah, that's it. We're gonna put the cover on. And we are good to go. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.